OnePlus launched its new smartphone under Ace series in China called OnePlus Ace 3V, with quiet new design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3V features a tall 6.74-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 2150 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 732 GPU. The smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of camera, the OnePlus Ace 3V sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, with 100 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 75.2 by 8.47 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Ace 3V has been priced in China for 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 2,299 Chinese yuan. And the higher variant with 16GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in titanium air gray shades and magic purple silver color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from March 25th. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Ace 3V smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.